So in this segment, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting changes that will be coming to Bonnet House, and that is the introduction of self-guided house tours. We've talked about doing this over the years, and coronavirus really forces the issue upon us. So we will be introducing self-guided tours. It will use the same format that we do for the grounds tours. It will be done via a cellular device. You enter the website and you're able to go around the house. We have introduced stanchions into the rooms so that people will be walking into the rooms but not through the rooms completely. One of the other exciting things about this initiative, and we think that it'll be particularly appealing to the local community, especially at a time when we're expecting far fewer visitors to the area, but one of the most exciting possibilities that this opens is the ability to have the house tour in various languages. And so we have plans in place to translate the tour into Spanish, Portuguese, and Creole for the local community and make a particular outreach to the local community. That's our audience. So we're excited about this possibility and an additional possibility that it offers, and that is a third tour, Bonnet House for the Little Ones. It'll be an opportunity for us to focus on aspects of Bonnet House that might be interesting for children, but maybe not so interesting for adults, and create an opportunity for families, children, grandchildren to come and experience and enjoy Bonnet House. This is not an immediate phase in opening the house. It will be after we get used to the new policies and procedures that will be in place for coming to Bonnet House in a safe and hygienic manner. So thank you for listening to this series of videos. I hope you found them informative, and that we'll see you at Bonnet House very soon. Thank you.